How to change currency on MetaTrader 5. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change currency on MetaTrader 5. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to make sure is that you have installed your MetaTrader 5 and the app is updated to its latest version. After you've done that, you can open up the app and make sure that you're logged in into your demo account. Now after you're here, you will need to head over to the top right corner to the pencil icon. If you do not find it, tap on the top left corner on this here and tap on it till you find this pencil icon on the top right corner. Tap on it. Now here you will find different pairs of your currencies, and if you want to change it, you can simply drag it from here and place it to the order where you'd like the currency at. After you've done that, you can just set it up to your liking, and if you want to simply delete a currency, you can simply select on it and tap on the trash icon on the top right corner. If you want to delete each and everything, you can tap on the top right corner again, and here everything will get selected. Simply tap on the trash icon and it will get deleted. So that is basically how you can change currency on MetaTrader 5, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.